Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will be solving this puzzle called I and identity. Let's go through them. It's a NumPy module. Here you can see identity and here you can see I. Okay. Identity tool returns an identity array. Simple. Identity array is a square matrix with all the main diagonal elements as 1 and rest as 0. So identity matrix you might be knowing from maths, and the default type of the elements is float. Okay, so import numpy, print numpy dot identity 3 means it will make this 3 will justify that make a 3 cross 3 matrix identity type. Okay, so here you can see the diagonal elements are 1 and rest all the values are 0 and all the elements are in float. So that's the default type for this. Similarly, you have I tool which returns 2D array with ones as the diagonal and zeros as elsewhere. Okay, that's a 2D array, and that's here you can see they are almost similar. The diagonal can be main, upper, lower depending on the optional parameter k. Okay, here you have the diagonal main elements only. Diagonal elements will be one main diagonal elements, but here you can change the diagonal as well. I mean where you want your ones to be. So there are three options: main, upper, lower, depending upon the optional parameter k. So depending on the value of k, you can select the main, upper or lower diagonal. A positive k is the upper diagonal, a negative k is for lower, and 0, which is default, for main diagonal. Here you can see 8, 7, k equal to 1. So it's a 8 cross 7 dimensional array with k is equal to 1 means positive means upper diagonal. So you can see upper diagonal, all the ones are in upper diagonal. This is your main diagonal. There will be one main diagonal that you have to see. Let me print it so that we will see all the diagonals. So numpy dot I you have to write in this case. Let me write -1 so that you will see negative, which is lower diagonal. Let me run it. So lower diagonal you can see like this. Okay, and this guy is upper diagonal, this is lower diagonal. If I'll put 0, which is default, that will be main diagonal. Okay, so there is one more, so this is main diagonal, you can see. So one more difference you can see, this will be valid for square matrix, but here you can have the dimension, you can select the dimension. Okay, here also you can see one more example is there. If I will do -2 instead of -1, it is same thing, no? -2 if I will do, so it will shift more. Okay, shift down. So you can see it's -2 position, ones are in. Previously in -1 position, this was the place ones were there. Okay, so I hope you got the feel. Now what is our task? Our task is to print an array of size n cross m with the main diagonal elements as ones and zeros elsewhere. Okay, in order to get alignment correct, please insert the line below the numpy import. Okay, so this line we have to put so that there will be correct alignment that they have already given. So what will be the input? We'll be getting the space separated values of n and m. N denotes the rows, m denotes the column, and then here you have to print the desired n cross m array. Okay, so these are the value of n and m, and this is the diagonal matrix or identity matrix, you can say. Okay, so you have to be careful, this may not be equal to square matrix always, so better to use I tool here. Let me keep I as it is. First I'll import the values of take the values of n and m. So this will be like previously what we were doing: set map int comma input dot split. Okay, so this is the value of n and m, and yeah, we got n and m, so directly we will print here n comma m. Okay, so we'll always be getting n and m, and its main diagonal elements as 1. So main diagonal element we have to present, so we can put 0 or we can put you can even remove it, not necessarily. Okay, let me write it first. K equal to 0. Let's run it, but as case is not passed. You can see they almost look liquor, but this we have to write, right? So correct alignment, so it doesn't look like aligned the way they require. Our output is not as looks like that. So in below import we have to import this guy, numpy dot set print options legacy equals 1.13. now maybe it will look good. Yeah, so alignment was the problem, so now they are fixed. You can even remove this. Okay, so I think it will work. Yeah, it is working. Plus also you can call it as some list. You can just pass the list, or you can no, they won't take it as a list. So n and m value, right, we want. List is not required. Okay, I thought it will work. Control side white. Okay, n and m. So that is the code. Let's submit it now. And there is no constraint, so sample test cases pass. All the test cases pass. Congratulations done. So what we have learned here is about identity and I tool. So I is generalized type version of identity tool. Okay, that is something you can imagine. So let's go to the next problem now.